Hey, I'm DJ Too Much, Six Figure DJs, and today we're going to talk about how you as a DJ can market your business using Instagram. We're going to go over 4 ways that you can grow your DJ business using your Instagram account. Let's talk about Instagram. Instagram is a great platform. It's a way that people nowadays are searching for services and finding people that they want to use if they're getting married, if they're having an event, any type of private event. They're looking for DJs and entertainers on Instagram. So how can you make sure that people are finding you on Instagram and guarantee that you're making money from your Instagram account? So the first thing we're going to talk about is making sure you have a professional name. Make sure that your name fits your DJ name or your DJ business name, and make sure that it's something that's easy to remember and easy for people to find. So if they're looking for you, make sure that you're searchable. If you are like me, I am DJ Too Much. My Instagram name is Low Is Too Much. And I try to be consistent with my name. I don't really change it because I want people to be able to find me, whether they've heard me 5 years ago or recently within the last maybe 5 weeks. They can find me on Instagram at Low Is Too Much. So you want to make sure you have a professional, easy to remember Instagram name, and make sure that it matches your brand, your DJ name, or your DJ business. Any of those things. On top of that, you want to make sure you have a really good profile picture and a good profile in general. You want to make sure to have a very professional profile. So when people go to your account, right away you want people to know who you are and how they can book you. So if you, for example, I am DJ Too Much, I'm a DJ mentor, you want to go to my Instagram account, right away you're going to see that. If you want to book me, you're going to see a Linktree account link. You're going to see a Linktree link that you can click on, and you can find out how to book me, how you can sign up for mentorship, any of those things. On your DJ profile, you want to make sure that it's very professional. And on your DJ profile picture, you want to make sure that it's bright and easy for people to find. So if they're scrolling through, you want to make sure to have your logo and maybe a bright background. Something that's really, really easy for people to, okay, this is DJ Too Much. My background is bright pink, something that's pretty easy to find. So you want to make sure that you have something that is colorful, maybe neon, something that's very, very easy for people to spot. The next thing you want to do is make sure you have great content of your events. Make sure people, one, see who you are, so have great photos of you. Also, make sure that people see what type of events you do, whether you're doing weddings or birthday parties or just private events, corporate events. Also, make sure that they see what type of people you're doing events for. A lot of times when people see great looking people or a beautiful couple or an event that looks fun, they're gonna go on your profile and say, oh wow, this event looks awesome. I wanna hire this person. I wanna hire this entertainer or this DJ. So make sure that you have great content that stands out, and make sure you really excite people with your content. You wanna have really cool events that you're showing on your page, so people are like, man, I'm getting married and I saw this wedding video on this DJ's page and this looks like they have a great setup and like they're a great DJ. Look at the crowd, they're going crazy. This is how people are really gonna wanna come to you and book you right away. So make sure that you have great content on your Instagram that really stands out. And Instagram is a great way to put your brand above your competition. If you have a great Instagram profile, right away you can stand out above your competition. Anyone in your local area, a lot of people are not really taking advantage of Instagram the way they can. But you, whether you're a new DJ or you've been in a DJ business for a long time, you can really stand out by having a great Instagram. So once again, we're gonna talk about having a great DJ name or a great Instagram name that fits your brand and your DJ name. Also having a professional profile and a professional profile pic, and then also having great content on your Instagram to make sure it stands out and that when people go to your page, they know exactly who you are, how to book you, and that your content is great. So they want you to come to their event and do exactly what they see. So if they see you in a great video, they're gonna oh, I want this DJ to come to my event because this event looks so awesome. They can do this at my event. So you really wanna stand out and make sure that you look like you are the most awesome DJ. So this is really how you can take advantage of Instagram. Now, the last thing we're gonna talk about is making sure you use hashtags on your Instagram pictures and videos. So if you're gonna post a reel or anything on your page, you wanna make sure that you use relevant hashtags that match your brand, match your services, and also match your target audience. So you want to make sure that if people are searching for a wedding DJ in Idaho, that you have those hashtags that are relevant to the people that are actually searching for you. A lot of times I'll see DJs post content, the content looks great, but then they'll have a hashtag DJ or wedding or cool DJ. And it's like, okay, cool. Who's really looking for those hashtags? Think about hashtags that people are gonna use to find you. So if you're a DJ in New York City, how are they gonna find you? Are you in Brooklyn? Are you in Queens? Are you in Manhattan? Are you just NYC? Can you use all those hashtags for people in those local areas to find you? Are you a wedding DJ? Are you a club DJ? Are you doing a bar mitzvah? You know, whatever the event is you're doing, make sure you hashtag it correctly so that when people are searching, they find you. And you want to be able to stand out with your content, which is why content's really important. So if people are searching through those hashtags, they're gonna see your content in those hashtags, and you wanna stand out, so when they see that content, they go to your page. So I'm DJ Too Much with Six Figure DJs. Today we talked about how to grow your DJ business using Instagram. I really hope this was beneficial for you. Subscribe, like, comment, follow. Follow me on Instagram at LoisTooMuch. Also, check out our program, sixfiguredjs.com, and follow us at Six Figure DJs on Instagram as well. If you DM me, I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. I answer every single DM personally, so feel free to shoot me a DM, and hopefully I can help you. I'm DJ Too Much with Six Figure DJs. Thank you again.